welcome back to my channel, Adventures with Amirah. Today I'm finally going to share my kitchen reveal with you guys. The kitchen looks totally different than when we first moved in and purchased this house. And it was all brown before. I'll show you before and after pictures. Just finished the last phase, which was getting our backsplash installed. We picked a beautiful marble from wayfair.com. This is not a sponsored video, but we have found so many beautiful items for our home from there. So if you guys are interested in any updates, Wayfair definitely has competitive pricing, especially compared to even Lowe's or Home Depot for tile. So let's get into it. So as you can see, the kitchen is very bright and white now compared to what it was before. The biggest updates that we did, of course, were the cabinets. I mean, just changing them over to white from the maple that we had in here before made a tremendous difference. Here on the sink, you can see that I picked this medallion up. You can pick these up online in different shapes and styles, but I felt that brought a little bit of a French country flair to the kitchen, so that's why I picked that specific medallion. And then we also changed the hardware in here. All of the hardware purchased, the round knobs and the bar knobs, were purchased on Amazon at an amazing cost, you guys. Like, it was insane. I think we bought the whole kitchen's worth for under $100, which it saved us about $200 or $300 from the other places I priced them out at. And then we've replaced some of the appliances as well. We already had stainless in here, but just over the years, we needed to replace some of the appliances. And then this is the backsplash I wanted to show you guys. And I'll show you what this looked like before, even after we did the cabinets. Now, we did not replace the cabinets completely. We had them painted, and I priced them out at a few different companies, and I believe we spent about $1,800 to do these cabinets. Before, I didn't really have a lot of stuff in the uppers on these cabinets just for decor, but I really wanted a more Parisian theme, and I loved this heart that I found at Home Goods, and then these little flower buckets are from the Dollar Tree, and I ordered a wreath on Amazon. I just put a little bow up there, and then this little birdhouse is like an homage to my mom. She loved birdhouses. Her kitchen always had birdhouses in there. The little planter and the little lavender that you see up there, that's all from the Dollar Tree. That little bird is also from the Dollar Tree. And then on this side, I just went with sort of a French country feel. Now, my mom also loved roosters, so I have been looking for a rooster that would go with this type of theme, and I finally found that white picture there at Hobby Lobby. And I just put some flowers from the Dollar Tree in there, but I love that little rooster up there. And then they had this little sign, and I just wrote in there in chalk paint, it says, "Your love is all I need." And I say that to my husband and my kids all the time. The little sticker on the little wagon over there is also from Dollar Tree. That little bunny jar that's up there, my mom also collected rabbits. It's funny, I have so many things. Now that she's passed, I just keep little reminders of her in the house. But that little bunny came out from Target at Easter, and so I just keep it in the house all the time. And then this is what this other side of our kitchen looks like. The little bucket that's there is also from the Dollar Tree. And I picked up some little Christmas trees the other day for my daughter. Now we're gonna do like some mommy and me Christmas themed items. But as you can see, I couldn't decide on these drawers. Should I do the round ones at the top, or we were just looking at a bunch of different kitchen items. So we ended up doing these top 3 drawers with the round knobs, and then we did the bars down the bottom, and then we did the same thing up here where we did the round knobs in the middle and then the bars on the side. So that turned out really well. This is our new refrigerator we just purchased. And then we did the backsplash on this side as well. One thing that my husband did do in here also is under counter lighting, and he just put in LED lights, and I'll turn those on so you guys can see. And it really does brighten up the whole kitchen. Sometimes it's nice to come down here in the mornings and not just turn on the bright garish lighting first thing when you're half awake. And I just turn on like the little under counter lights in the morning, so I can just wake up a little easier. And then this rug we purchased at Home Goods quite a while back before we ever did the full remodel on the kitchen. But I love it, you guys. I think that it just brightens everything up. The whole house just feels so much brighter with the white cabinets. So definitely not something I regret. I was worried, would it turn out the way that I envisioned? And my husband wasn't completely sold on it until he saw it all put together. But it's been such a blessing. We love it. We love the Backsplash. And like I said, we did pick this up on Wayfair, and then we just hired a tile person to come install this. My husband actually knows how to install tile, but honestly, he's working sometimes 70 hours a week, so the last thing that he has time to do is be putting our tile in. Just to get him to do the under counter lights took a few weeks till he could make time off to do that. Under counter lighting we were able to find at Home Depot, and because they're LED lights, they'll just be a lot less maintenance. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys what we had done in the kitchen. And I have a lot of other updates we've been doing on the house. I've been trying to get everything ready to start decorating for Christmas. I just got all the Halloween stuff down. So now the Christmas season will truly begin in my house. We had to wait till all the contractors were out of here and everything, and now we can finally just get ready to celebrate the holidays. I'm so excited to start decorating, you guys. I don't know about you, but let me know what you think of the differences between the two kitchens in the comments down below. Talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.